These are electrolytic capacitors from AliExpress. Like eBay, AliExpress is full of scams and you never know what's good and what's not. Why this topic? Well, as I mentioned, I personally find it hard to decide on buying electronic components from AliExpress or eBay, but everything is 10 times more expensive on other websites than it is on AliExpress or eBay. The first test for safety is at 14 volts, even though the rated voltage for these capacitors is 16 volts. As you can see, nothing unusual is happening with the capacitors, so let's move on to the maximum voltage for these capacitors, which is 16 volts. In the bottom right corner, you can follow the display from my bench power supply. And as I expected after testing the capacitance and ESR, these capacitors show no issues operating at their maximum rated voltage. Let's try another capacitor. Both were randomly selected from the batch you saw in the previous video. Of course, the second one also has no problems operating at its maximum rated voltage. You can find link for these capacitors in the description. These capacitors are neither better nor worse than the more expensive ones on the market.